My name is Pauline, and I have been a ClearCaptions customer for almost 6 years. I've had hearing loss even probably in my 30s and 40s. I remember questioning things. What did you say? Was my favorite thing. What'd you say? I was struggling on the phone. I couldn't understand what someone was saying. When I had ClearCaptions installed, it was an easy transition. I could see what was being said, and I enjoy that. When I get messages, it's very helpful. ClearCaptions has helped me in many ways, especially with the reading after someone speaks to me or as they're speaking to me. I can understand them.